Experiencing a no service error can be frustrating. Several steps can help resolve this issue effectively. First, restart your mobile device to refresh the network connection. Next, check if airplane mode is turned on and disable it if necessary. Ensuring your SIM card is properly inserted is important for network access. Try toggling the mobile data option on and off to reset the connection. If the problem persists, explore the network settings on your device. Selecting the correct network manually can sometimes solve the problem. Updating your device's software can ensure compatibility with the network. Performing a reset of network settings might also help restore service. If none of these fixes work, consider contacting your mobile service provider for assistance. They can check for outages or issues on their end. A simple visit to their store may also provide immediate solutions. Do not hesitate to seek help when needed. Follow for more.